WICA's PMM01 and PMT01 modular system reduces the components of a mechanical pressure measuring instrument to the essentials. Compared to the standard pressure gauges, the modular system features even greater flexibility. Different sizes and completely free positioning guarantee that the system can be easily integrated into a large number of products. This also allows a great deal of freedom in design for all conceivable applications. The WICA modular system has another major advantage. Because of reduction to the core pressure gauge components and the large quantities produced, the PMM01 and PMT01 are significantly cheaper than comparable standard pressure gauges. The PMT01 variant has an electrical sensor in addition to the analog dial. As a result, in addition to classic analog electrical signals, internationally conventional radio signals can be sent. Even with the additional electrical sensor, the PMT01 has the same dimensions as the PMM01. This means they can be installed in parallel in identically constructed series. Standard and premium versions can thus be offered within one product. If you would like to find out more about the PMM01 or the PMT01, get in touch with your WICA contact.